Hello and welcome to the complete course of Azure Machine Learning. In this lecture, we will study how do we create an environment for a deep learning solutions, right? So there are problem statements which can only be executed through the deep learning, right? So there are few framework like you can execute the deep learning from a TensorFlow framework or you can also execute it from the PyTorch framework. However, in this lecture, we will study how can we create an environment for a PyTorch. Similarly, we can also create a virtual environment for the TensorFlow or Keras. Now, we will see how do we create an environment, virtual environment in local for deep learning solution using our PyTorch libraries. And then we'll also see how can we deploy the same into an Azure machine learning. So here we go. So first of all, the virtual environment, what we need to create is we need to give the name uh, as the virtual environment name torch env1, and then the channel would be default and the conda forge, and the dependency which you need to install is python 3.8.5. You can choose the lower version also, that's not a problem. And the anaconda's libraries, because anaconda consists of a different packages as well, so I always try to import this anacondas, and this is a pip version as of now. When I'm recording this session, you can go for any other pip version as well. And then these all the libraries which needs to be installed. So this is the Azure ML SDK, which helps us to connect our local machine to the Azure Machine Learning Studio. And these are the Torch Vision, Future, and the Pillow, which are the dependent libraries and which needs to be installed before we execute our deep learning solution. So now what we need to do it over here, we need to go to our console. So now we need to save this file, save as, and over here we need to give YML file as torch env.yml, right? So we just save this file and try to execute it into a console. So let's go to a console now, yeah, and try to create this environment. So once we'll try to create this particular environment, the environment will get created, right? So I'll just click enter. So my environment has already been created. Now I need to go into this particular environment by using conda activate torch env1, and my environment is ready, right? So in the next lecture, we'll see our PyTorch programming and we would be executing it from here. Thank you.